and go up. It is locked. Okay, left hander. This is a GoPro hand pump, or some people may call it GoPro wrist. This is a wrist strap. Yeah, you open up. Okay, pump is in this way. We put inside here, then later we tight it. And our GoPro put here. Yeah, and come with this long screw. This is for the left hander. It's for the right hander. That means they turn the other round. Yeah. And then this is for right hander. Okay. Let's go. I show you how to put on this GoPro camera. Any side also can. This side or this side. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Now. Okay. The strap can extend to longer. Yeah. Here it is. Now it is locked. Okay, to unlock, you push this button. Okay, then you can adjust to 360 degree you want. Okay, if you want to lock it, that means the button is here. Okay, it's locked. That means you push it again. When you push, it come up here. Okay, you push again, it's come up here. So now it's unlocked. You want to lock, you have to push it. Okay, you can see this one is coming out. Okay, and you also can adjust, go down and go up. Yeah. Okay, if it's too tight, you can unloose here. Yeah. Don't need to be so tightened, so easy for you to do adjustment. If you feel that it's very loose, okay, because your hand is no meat, that means too thin, so I suggest that you can take one glove on this hand. Yeah, I show you how. With a glove put on it, you will feel that it's more tightened. Yeah, so you won't feel it's very loose. Okay.